Let's find the equation of the line that yields the points 3, -4 and 8, -4. Okay, this is a special case. Notice that both of these points have a y value of -4. So we know that the y value is fixed at -4. Okay, and so since this is a line and it passes through these 2 points, both of which have the same y value, we know the equation is just simply y equals -4. This equation is a statement that says y is -4 for all the possible points. The y value is -4. Okay, so now let's actually graph that line. Okay, I will go ahead and just use the points that are given here. 3, -4. Well, I guess I can't use them both. 3, -4 is here. And it doesn't really matter what other point you use as long as the y value is -4. Okay, so there they are. And so I'm going to draw a line as best I can straight through those 2 lines, or those 2 points. I know my lines are terrible. Okay, so now the graph of the above equation, the y equals -4 equation, can be best described as horizontal. Right? This is a horizontal line. Okay, and then finally, last part of this question says to find the slope of that line. Okay, so there's a couple ways to think about it. The first way is to realize that this is a perfectly flat line. Okay, so the slope, it would be 0, right? There's no steepness to a flat line. Okay, so there's one way. That's just to think about it conceptually. If we wanted to use the slope formula, using these points, 3, -4 and 8, -4. Remember the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this particular problem, we'll end up with -4 minus -4 over 8 minus 3. Right? Yeah. Okay, and so if I were to work that out, that would give me, well, first of all, minus a negative is really plus, so -4 plus 4, which is 0, over 8 minus 3 is 5. 0 over 5 is 0. So there you go. You see it there. The slope is 0. Okay.